video, we will have a quick look at how we can use the RGB LED ambient lights for some of our units. You can go to home screen, then go to car settings again. Then you will have ambient lighting here. Okay, so you have 8 different color changing modes here. Okay, so it's quite obvious what they mean. You can just or you can just play with them. So gradient means the color changes slowly. It's either 7 different colors or 3 different colors. Jump means the different color changes faster. Okay, and then this just either change with speed or RPM or with the gas pedal, or if you also have park sensor for your vehicle, and if we have it decoded, you also have this option. The color changes with the parking sensor. Okay, and then this one is how you want to, if you want to choose a specific single color, you can use this one to choose the predefined color. Okay, and then these 3, you can change the color intensity ratio to get the desired color you want. If the predefined ones are not, you don't have one you like from those. Okay, so basically larger number from 0 to 31, I believe. Yeah, larger number means that red, green, or blue is has more intensity. Okay, let's see if you increase blue. Okay, basically you should get the idea. Okay.